I'm a part of an 1,100-mile stretch. It's called the Florida Trail. You can take south of Miami, just around Key Largo, follow it all the way to Alabama. Heard estimates of 1,100, 1,200 miles. This is the trail here. I'm in a segment that goes through the through the Green Swamp area. This is an area where we're going to have the Memorial Day expedition, for lack of a better word. Be a 4-day, 3-night deal. I've got the permit for the area, which is miles off the road, and you have to have the lock. You have to have the combination to the lock to get in. Man, it's getting thick in here too. You come out here in the winter and you've got really good visibility. That's okay.